Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel for another vlog. I cannot believe that we are potentially almost like out of this whole entire stay-at-home order. I'm hoping, praying, crossing my fingers. It is about 2 weeks away until I potentially go back to work, which honestly is absolutely insane to me. I cannot believe it's been that long already, but I am so ready to get back. I've been talking to a couple of my clients today and they're like, I need to get in so soon. As soon as you get back, I want to get in to get my hair done. So thankfully we have the online booking up and running again so we can get all of our clients booked from home instead of having our boss have to go in and book them at the salon. So that has been nice. I've been running around all day and just getting stuff done around here. And honestly, it's been a really productive day, so I'm very proud of myself. Got ready, I washed my hair, which is such an accomplishment because I haven't been washing my hair but every week, which is kind of crazy. I definitely am not a fan of it. I will not be doing that when I go back to work. I will stick to 2 times a week. I actually did a ton of laundry. I washed all of my bedding. I washed the dogs' blankets and also their towels because I gave them a bath the other day. And then I washed all of my towels as well. So definitely got a lot done today. It is now 5:15 and I'm just going to do a couple things around my living room area. It is a total and complete mess back there. I did go to Target to also get some groceries. I did a quick run. I passed by the dollar spot and everything was stocked, but I stayed strong. I didn't get anything. I did pick up a new pair of sweatpants though because your girl has been living in loungewear. Like today's outfit, I have this simple black tee on and then I have these really cute like camo leggings with my Adidas shoes. So very, very comfy casual outfit. That's what I've been wearing lately, but I did get a new throw blanket, which I will turn you guys around so you can see. This is from the brand Threshold. This was $20. They have, I want to say 4 to 5 different colors in this, but I decided to get this really pretty like cream color. I have a pink one on my couch now, but I wanted something different. And then I did pick up a new pair of sweatpants, like I said. This is from the Universal Thread brand. I will have these linked down below for you guys too if you're interested. And then I picked up this cute little tee from Wild Fable. This was only $12. This is a size small and it's very, very oversized. I might have to return it if it doesn't fit. We're gonna decorate my living room area, put a new throw, clean the couch, which speaking of that, I got this new Chom Chom roller in the mail. That is not focusing whatsoever, but I got it from Amazon. I will also leave it linked down below. It's for pet hair, obviously, and it just like collects all the hair in here. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I also got another amazing package in the mail from Rozi. So this is my new air purifier. I am absolutely obsessed. We're gonna unbox this right now and set that up before we get cleaning in the living room. All right, so we're going to start unboxing this bad boy. I'm so excited about this, to be able to have it in my house and in my living room. So this guy is pretty big, as you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it into the living room and then we can go ahead and set it up and we will chat about what exactly this thing does. All right, so I think I'm gonna put it in this little corner over here. Set about like a foot away from the wall, which that's about a foot. So I'm gonna go ahead and say that's okay. I have it on a very flat, firm surface, obviously. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in just a little bit so we can kind of go through the little keys that are on here. So starting on the left, we have the sleep mode button, which is what you're gonna wanna put on while you're sleeping so that the unit will run on low speed. The next button we have is the filter reset, and you hold that button for 5 seconds to reset the filter when you replace it. The next one we have is the speed button. So if you do not have it on auto, you can control low, medium, high, or turbo. The next button we have is the auto button. The fan speed will change according to the air quality. And the last button we have here is the timer. So you can go ahead and put the timer on if you want it to automatically shut off. So I'm looking at the little pamphlet that comes with the air purifier. And as you can see, these are the 3 filters that are in there. There's the pre-filter, which captures the initial dust and allergen particles, the HEPA filter, which captures dust, smoke, pollen, and other allergens, and then the last one is the carbon filter, which eliminates odors and bad smells. So it's great that there is a 3-part filter inside of there. So this air purifier, I have it on obviously right now, and it is seriously so quiet. Even when it is running, you can barely hear it. The price of this is very affordable as well. So if you guys have been looking for an air purifier, I will make sure to leave a link to their website to purchase in the description box down below. I'm absolutely in love with it. It looks really sleek on the outside as well, because you know I'm totally into like home decor and things just looking well in their place. So I really enjoy the way that this one looks. I feel like it just kind of fits in with the room. So now that we have the air purifier set up, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my living room area. I'm not gonna do much to it. I only had 1 Easter pillow, so I only need to switch out 1 pillow on the couch. I do need to clean it. I'm gonna try out that Chom Chom roller and let you guys know how it works and if I like it. I did do my decorate with me, so that is going to be going up tomorrow. I actually edited all of that this morning, which is another thing that I did. I just need to do the description, link everything for you guys, and that'll be up. So I will go ahead and link that in the description box down below if you are interested in seeing my spring/summer decor, even though summer seems like it's so far away. But we're gonna go ahead and get started cleaning the living room and redecorating. So the first thing that we're gonna do is take off all of the pillows, and then I'm gonna grab my Chom Chom roller, and I'll kind of show you guys how that works. But I'm gonna also try it on my pillows as well, because these pillows, not so much, but these ones that I have from Kirkland's, the back of them gets so gross with hair. This one isn't that bad yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and try the Chom Chom roller on here as well and see how it works. So now that we have all of the pillows and the blankets off, we still have a dog on the couch, but that is okay. So this is pretty simple to use. You literally just go back and forth on the couch. You're probably gonna get scared, Zoe, so you might wanna move, but yeah, let's go ahead and try it out. She's like, what is that, Mom? All right, well, it definitely took the hair off of that one, and then it all just collects right in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do these few cushions really quick. But before we do that, I wanna go ahead and try this pillow and see how it does on here. I don't know how it's gonna work because it's not like a firm surface, but we can go ahead and try. Well, that definitely worked. It took all of the hair off of that pillow. So now that we have done the entire couch, and I am now out of breath because of the arm workout that I just got, moving this thing back and forth, we're gonna go ahead and open this up and see how much hair is inside. All right, look at that. That is crazy. Oh my gosh, look at all of that hair. Yep, I am obsessed. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. I am so happy that I ordered this on Amazon. I will leave it linked down below for you guys as well. If you have pets, Highly, highly recommend this. Literally took me less than 5 minutes, a little arm workout and a little bit out of breath. Look at all that stuff that it got off the couch. And it also looks like there's like vacuum marks on the couch as well, which is nice and satisfying. So I think the first thing that I'm gonna do is grab this and kind of drape it over the middle over there, just like I had the pink one. I'm obviously going to wash this. I just want to see what it looks like on my couch first, to see if I do want to keep it or if I want to take it back. So I'm going to go ahead and take this pillow right here that says my kids have paws, and we're going to put this in the middle here. So I do also have my Target Dollar Spot pillows, which are covered in hair. So let me grab the Chom Chom real quick, because we all know we're obsessed with it now. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the back of these. I really, really like that. I like the way that the colors look with this pillow as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my other pillows back really quick. I'm not going to put this blanket back yet, just because I'm actually gonna throw that in the wash, because why not wash my blankets since I washed literally everything else in my house today. A lot of you guys ask me where all my throw pillows are from. I will try to link as many as I can, but most of them are from Kirkland's. All right, so this is how it turned out. I ended up switching these two because I felt like these two pillows were too close together. So I think I'm gonna center that a little bit more so that the pillows look a little bit better. I really like the way that the new throw blanket looks. I definitely think it kind of brightens the area up. If you guys have a dark couch, let me know if you guys kind of have the same issue with it making the room look darker. I love my couch and I don't plan on getting a new one anytime soon because I seriously don't need one, but I feel like it would 100% make this room look so much brighter if I did. Definitely not super different, but at least we have something different going on in the middle there. We have a very sleepy puppy over here. She is so adorable. She curls up in a little ball like a cat. It's the cutest thing ever. So I also wanted to show you guys what I did in my living room area because I did change a couple things in here. So obviously I added this little welcome sign that my mom got for me. I did also add a few things on the floating shelves. I added that bloom sign, changed that little shelf up there. This is still the same from what you guys have seen. And then over here, I just changed this shelf. So I took away the bunny and put a nice little vase with some flowers in it. I really like the way that this looks right here. These are from Target as well, and then I just put some succulents in there. I will have them linked down below if you guys are interested. So now that I have worked up an appetite, we're gonna go ahead and make dinner, which as you can probably see already, we're going to make some avocado toast. And usually one avocado is pretty much perfect for the amount that I eat, unless you get like one of those giant avocados, which I have before. But usually this is like the perfect amount, doesn't waste any, which is great. So this is the completed dinner. I'm so excited to eat this. I have my water in my favorite cup. I'm gonna watch some YouTube as well while I sit and eat this. That's gonna conclude today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will chat with you guys in my next one. Bye, stay marvelous.